The myth that every niche is profitable is a kind of untrue, especially in case of affiliate marketing. Because every niche includes affiliate products, but not every affiliate product is profitable. So you have to understand that thing, okay? So if you want to do affiliate marketing, finding a profitable niche should be your first and the topmost priority, okay? Hi guys, my name is Shan. I am an IT engineer turned into a full-time digital marketer, and in this video we will be talking about how to find a profitable niche for affiliate marketing. As we all know, affiliate marketing is a popular and it is a process of earning a commission by promoting other people or other companies' product, right? So you have to find a product you like, promote it to others and earn a piece of profit for each sale that you make. Sounds pretty easy, right? So, but wait, it is easy if you have a profitable niche, and only then you will be able to earn crazy commissions. Now, before beginning with our main topic, I just want you to grab your notepad, pen and paper, and don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel as well. I would really appreciate it, guys. Proceeding with the first step, that is choose the niche that you are passionate about. See, to earn money, it is not always necessary to do something out of the box or try something new, or you can say try something harder, okay? Instead of following you are passionate about, that could actually be much more easier to make money in this online world. I hope you agree with this. Let's suppose you have a good knowledge of let's say musical instruments, okay? So if you will go in that particular niche, you will definitely have full knowledge of it. Plus you will love doing that stuff because you are passionate about musical instrument. When you start loving and enjoying the work you do, then no one can actually stop you in becoming successful, right? So I would suggest you to pick a niche in which you are passionate about, alright? But keep this in mind that it might happen that your passionate field is not that much profitable. So you better note down 3 or 4 niches of your interest and then just go through them everywhere and do your own research and see which one will actually help you to gain lots and lots of profit, okay? So now let's discuss the second step on how to find a profitable niche that could actually help you to earn profits, and it is analyzing the trending niche. You know, like trends is something that you should always follow. Like 20 years ago, there was not much use of cell phones. There was no iPhone, no Samsung, no big brands, right? But today you can see every other person, even small kids are actually using cell phones. In fact, they have an iPhone. Am I right? If you agree, please comment below this video. You must have seen that. So the point is, with time, trends are also changing. For finalizing a profitable niche, you must go with the trend, okay? And let me tell you, gadgets and technology are among the most profitable niches on the internet. But my personal favorite is make money online niche. Well, I love to make money, and who does not want it, right? So I hope you agree with this. If I am passionate about make money online, I am working on make money online. So if you will go with a niche that is outdated, then you will definitely be lagged behind. So don't let that happen. Understand? Think and research about what is trending and demanding niche, okay? So now let's jump into the third step. Pick a niche that solves people's problem, okay? So why I am saying this, that you need to pick a niche that solves people's problem? Well, people make decisions primarily to avoid pain or experience pleasure. And guess what? This is why people buy things as well, because they want to rid of their pain or they want to enjoy the pleasure. Most profitable niches offer this to people. They help people avoid pain or gain pleasure. Like if you choose a niche that talks about skincare or skincare products or beauty treatments, you can help teenagers or women with skin related issues. As girls are very much protective of their skin, they will definitely buy a beauty product that you will suggest. Trust me on this. It is the best niche that will influence teenagers. You all know, when we have any question in our mind, we either Google it or YouTube it to find a solution to our problems. Similarly, if you want to make money online, which is very profitable niche, So what you need to do is you need to identify your target audience so that you can solve a set of problems. Did you get that? Let me just explain it with an example. For example, for me, my target audience is young entrepreneurs who wants to start their online business and make $3,000 a month at least without any investment or any prior knowledge. Okay, so I need to think about a problem that my target audience is facing. So in my case, my problem can be money problem, as they don't have enough money, they don't have enough time to enjoy and spend time with their family, because they are actually working hard and not really making a lot of money. So that is their problem and I am trying to solve them. So pick a niche that actually solves people problem. So now moving forward with our last step, that is conducting keyword research. Okay, keyword research is very important for every niche, and my personal favorite niche is make money online, as I have mentioned before. And my goal with the keyword research is to find keyword that can be possible to rank, also have decent volume. Okay, so better to conduct keyword research while choosing a niche. Like I use vidIQ, which is a free tool for finding keywords on YouTube, and the criteria that I follow while doing my keyword research is I pick those keywords that have low research volume, so I will be able to rank them easily. In the same way, you can also start by finding a general keyword that are common in your niche. Okay, so with this we have come towards the end of the video, and at last, if you found this particular video useful and if you would like to be a part of my community, I want you to join my Facebook group. Okay, link is already mentioned in the description box. Go and join it right now. Okay, I look forward to engaging with you in that group and I will see you there. Make sure to subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Okay, thank you for watching. Cheers, bye bye.